Welcome once again. This another day that we are proceeding with the revision of kpsea 2023 grade 6 math, and we had revised up to question 15. Now this is question 16. The question says, a road construction company mixed sand and small stones. The mass of sand was 18 tons 481 kilograms, and the mass of small stones was 12 tons 394 kilograms. What is the total mass of the mixture? They are asking about total mass of the mixture. But now the problem here is that we have tons and we have kilograms. And then this one also has 18 tons and 401 kilograms. So you as a learner, what you are supposed to do is to ensure you arrange those that are in tons to appear on one side, and then we can just use T, and then we use the other side what? Kilograms. So 18 tons at this side, and then 12 tons at this side, and then we have 481 kilograms, and then we also have 394 kilograms. Once you get there, now you start adding. 1 kilogram plus 4 is 5, 8 plus 9, it is 17 car 1, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 carried is 8, and then 8 plus 2 is 10 car 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 carried is 3. Now you find out that our answer is arriving at 30 tons 875 kilograms. And now this is the question says, what is the total mass? This is the part that should give us the clue of what we are supposed to do. What is the total mass? And now when you check on the question, you will find out that question 16, the answer is A. The answer is A. And then question 17 says, a tea processing factory distributed fertilizers to farmers using 4 lorries each. 4 lorries. Each lorry carried 24 tons, 205 kilograms of the fertilizer. What is the total mass of the fertilizer distributed? A tea processing factory distributed fertilizers to farmers using 4 lorries. How many lorries? 4. And then each lorry carried 24 tons, 205 kilograms of the fertilizer. What is the total mass of the fertilizer distributed? And now what we do, when they say 4 lorries, and then they say, so you ask yourself, if 1 lorry is equals to, each lorry carried 24 tons and then 205 kilograms. And then they say, what is the total mass of the fertilizer distributed? But now the problem here is 4 lorries. But they are so good, they have told us about each lorry. So 1 lorry carried 24 tons, 205 kilograms. What if they were 4 lorries? So what do we do? Therefore 4 lorries, then you will take 24 tons, 205 kilograms, you multiply by 4. Let us see what we shall get. Now 4 by 4, 5 is 20, carry 2, 4 by 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 carried 14, carry 1. 4 by 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 by 4 is 16, carry 1. 4 by 2 is 8 plus 1 carried 9. So the answer becomes 96 tons 940. When you check on question 17, the answer is A. The answer is A. The answer is A. Now we go to question 18. What does question 18 says? Let me roll my camera. A flour company exported 485,000 kilograms of fresh flowers. How many tons of fresh flowers did the company export? How many tons? Here they want us to convert kilograms into tons. Now when you know very well that 1 ton, 100 kilograms, sorry, yes, 1,000 kilograms is equivalent to 1 ton. What if it is 485,000 kilograms? So what you do, you will cross multiply. So we write this, and then out of 1,000, and then multiply by 1. What we are getting will be in what? Tons. Now, you see this that appear on the same side, they become like, you divide, is division. So you arrange it like this, you start by the number you are writing first, then this one becomes the one you use to divide in. Now, in this case, we don't have problems, because we are just going to cancel 0 with 0, 0 with another 0, 0 with another 0, and then we remain with 485 tons. 485 tons. When you check on the paper, question 18, the answer is we omitted 1 0. We omitted 1 0, sorry. We are supposed to be so careful. So if we omitted 1 0, the answer becomes 4,850 tons. We omitted 1 0 here. It was not being visible. So you be careful. The answer now is C. Our answer here is C. That is our answer. Now our question 19. Question 19. What does question 19 say? Question 19 says, Wambua responded his school. Wambua represented his school in a music festival. He began his performance in the afternoon at the time shown on the clock face. At what time did Wambua begin his performance? So this is the time that it is. And remember, it takes 5 minutes from one to another. So if the long stick, it is pointing at 7, if you want to take minutes, you take that 7, you multiply by 5. You take the 7, you multiply by 5. So if it is between 2 and 3, it means it is still 2 o'clock, but the minute stick will not be exactly where it will not be exactly at the first quarter. Remember, this clock is always has quarters like this, so we do like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So when it is here, it is a quarter, sorry. When it is here, it gets here, it is a half, here is 3 quarters, and then here is whole number. So it is always sharp here, and then here is a quarter. But about the minutes, when this stick is here, you take 2, you take 7, you multiply by 5. So in this case, they are asking about what at the time shown on the clock. At what time did Wambua begin his performance? So we will write 2, and then we write what? 35. So it means, according to, it will be 2 o'clock, that 5 minutes. Or we can say that 5 minutes past 2 o'clock. But this is the answer that is on the multiple choices. So what time is it? It is, this stick is past this, so it means it will be PM. Don't confuse yourself. It will be PM. When you check on the answers, the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. So my learner, don't confuse yourself. And then the last question we are handling today is question 20. Question 20 says, The table shows a travel timetable for a train from Manga station to Pate through Nanga. The question asks, what is, the question is there, and it asks, what a tourist travel from Manga station to Pate using the train. How long did the journey take? So you see, we've been told that from Manga it was a arrival. Sorry, let me roll my camera. From Manga it is arrival. Therefore, departure was 6:15 a.m. It arrived at Nanga at 8:30 a.m. It departed Nanga at 8:40, which means there was a 10 minutes resting time. And then from that time, it again arrived at Pate 11:54 a.m. And by this time, it did not depart because that is where it was. So the question asks, a tourist traveled from Manga station to Pate. So what time did it take? So what we do, it is so easy. We can write this in 24 clock system, and then after writing that we can subtract. Yes, now the question asks, a tourist traveled from Manga station to Pate using the train. How long did the journey took? Now, as they asked, the departure was at Manga, therefore the Manga had no arrival, and then the destination was at Pate. So Pate had no departure, and therefore what you do, you can use the long method so long as the answer is right. What we are after is getting the right answers in exams. So I asked myself like this: from 6:15 to 7:15 is 1 hour. From 7:15 to 8:15 is 1 hour. From 8:15 to 8:30 is it is 15 minutes, because this is where the break was. So this was break. It rested like that. And then from 8:30 to 8:40, it was also another rest, which was 10 minutes. So this was rest. And then resting. 8:40 to 9:40, 1 hour. 9:40 to 10:40, another hour. 10:40 to 11:40, another hour. 11:40 to 11:54, 14 minutes. So what I did, I added the minutes first. 15 plus 10, it is 25. 25 plus 14, this is 9, this is 3. So I got that 9 minutes. Then I counted the hour. Then it is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. So the answer was 5 hours, that 9 minutes. And when you check on the multiple choices, you will find out that the answer was A. Therefore, the answer in this case was A. And then this marks the end of sharing today. Now, next time we shall be dealing with the question 21 to 25. We just do 5 questions is enough. Or we can decide to do the 10 questions, then we finish the paper. So that is the end of our sharing. Please like, subscribe, and share to a friend. Allow your teacher to grow. Thank you.